Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 on how to make Haitian puff pastry patties. If you haven't seen part 1, be sure to check the description box for the link to see how to make the dough and the filling. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Thumbs up the video because that helps me a lot, and also leave your comments and suggestions down below. Without further ado, let's make it. Alright, now we have our chicken nice and ready. Now we're going to make the egg wash, which is a combination of water with egg. So I'm cracking one egg to this bowl, just like this. Then I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of room temperature water. Just add that in there, and we're going to give it a mix. Once it is nice and well mixed, we're going to set it aside. I'm using a pizza pan with some parchment paper to place my patties on there so I can bake them. And then we're going to move on to the patty. I just took my dough from the fridge. Now I am going to add some of that flour and add it on the countertop so I can add the dough to it so it doesn't stick. What we're going to do now is take our rolling pin, add some flour to it, and roll out the dough. Once your dough is nice and flat, we're going to cut the rough edges. Be sure to save those because you can make another patty with them, but just cut the rough edges just like so, and then we're going to cut the patties into a nice square. Now I'm eyeballing everything, so don't judge me if they don't turn out looking exactly the same. Basically what I did is trace the dough with my knife first, and then I go back and do the last cut, okay? Now this chicken, I'm using half a chicken breast. It's going to make about 3 patties. As you guys can see, the dough will make you at least 4 to 5 patties because I wanted my patties to be nice and big. I didn't want them to be tiny like the one in the store with a small little chicken in the middle. I make sure to add lots of chicken because that's exactly how I want it. I'm pretty sure that's how you guys like it, with lots of chicken in there. And if you guys have ate those chicken patties from the Haitian stores, they barely add any chicken to it. So I make sure to add lots and lots of chicken in there. And the chicken, oh my goodness, the chicken was so good, exactly the same taste as the Haitian patty from the corner store or something like that. But now I am using my egg wash to add on the edges, so when we add the other layer of the dough on top, so we can kind of seal it a little bit. So that's what I am doing right now. That's what's gonna keep the dough from open up while it's baking. Okay, just add that on there just like so. Alright, now for the edges, do not go and press the edges too rough or too hard because you don't want to have those pate kode. You don't want that. So you want to nicely press it down so it doesn't open, but don't press it down too hard where it's gonna form like a pate kode style. You don't want that. You want it nice and square. So that's what I am doing right now, is press it down very lightly. Then I'll use my egg wash once more to lightly give the patty a light coat of the egg wash. That's what's gonna make it really nice and shiny. It's not gonna be dry, so just lightly add the egg wash on top. And guys, we're going to bake this on 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. I had to think about it. For 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, make sure the inside is nice and cooked. And yeah, we're going to bake them right now. This is how they look. All right, once they're done, this is what you have: a nice puff pastry patty. And let me tell you guys, trust me when I tell you, these are exactly the same flavor, the same texture of the Haitian patty you be buying for like what, $1.50, $2? Yes, make these at home. I know it's hard to make them, but once you start making them, you're gonna feel like a pro. You're gonna feel like, oh wow, I am a you're gonna feel like something, because it's not hard to make, it's just so time consuming. So this is it, guys. It's so flaky, it's so good, and the butter, oh my gosh, you can taste it's so buttery from the inside. You see the inside. Some of you guys might say, oh, it's not cooked, honey. Yes, it is cooked. I cooked this for 40 minutes. It's nice and cooked. It's just the butter, once it's oil, it's just melt once it's in the oven. This is it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me, guys. That helps me a lot, so please hit the video with a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, girl, please hit the subscribe button for me. I definitely appreciate it. Stay tuned for another amazing video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.